Okay, here's one of the perimeter story problems with using two variables and two equations. So the perimeter of the park is 280. So as soon as you read that, the word perimeter of a park, okay, and the assumption here is that it is a rectangular shaped park. I guess I probably should have said that. But so rectangular shaped park is 280. So the formula is 2w plus 2l would be the perimeter of a rectangle, right? And I know that the perimeter is 280. Okay. Now the next part is going to give me my second equation, and it says the width is 5 more than half the length. Okay. All right. So here I'm just translating that to a equation. It says the width. So the width is 5 more than half the length. Okay, so I'm going to take half the length, and you could divide by 2. I'll divide by 2. And then I need, excuse me, 5 more. So this one gives me the perimeter. So width, length, gives me the perimeter of the shape. And this gives me a relationship between W and L. Again, this is perfect for substitution because this width are the same, these are the same, so therefore those are the same. So I'm going to use substitution. So I have 2. I need parentheses because I'm subbing in a 2-part thing there. Plus 2L equals 280. Right? Now I need the distributive property. Half of 2 is 1. I'm not going to write it, but I could. 10. I'm going to put my L's together. Subtract 10. And then divide by 3. And then I get 90. So the length is 90. And now I need to go back. What do I want to do? Find the length and width. Okay, and what is my units here? So this is in yards, so 90 yards. And I need to find the width. So again, the easiest thing to do is go back to this one. I could go back to the first one. There's just more math to do there. All right, so half of 90 is, so half of 90 plus 5 is going to be my width. Well, half of 90 is 45 plus 5. So that gives me a width of 50 yards. So those are my two values. Now again, to check my answer, I can either draw it on my thing or I can sub it back in there. So 2 widths plus 2 lengths. Does that really equal 280? Let's see, 180 and 100, yep. And then does my width, which is 50, really equal half of my length, which is 45 plus 5? Yep, that really equals 50. So I know I'm right before I turn in my test.